Hey, what up, guys? It is the hold on, let me turn this down so that way it's not feeding back. Hello, hello. There we go. All right, so today is the 17th, and we're gonna go over this trade that happened today on the 17th. You probably won't be seeing this today. You'll be seeing it probably about 2 days from now. And I'm sorry I'm behind to do this, but hey, what it is, I'm just here to show you the strategy. Before I did go on to that, I just want to show you this is a trade. And, I took it right. I took it right around 8:30. All right, so this was the P&L for my combine for Top Step. All right, I did take one track, and this is I went 506. My plus was 300. All right, so before I get into all right, before I get into all this, I just want to go down. Let me go down a little bit more. All right, so if you're not understanding how many ticks a certain thing is, and that's why some of you guys are getting caught up. So if you go to CME Group and just Google CME Group, and then let's walk through this together. All right, let me get this handy dandy up here, and let's go to Google. All right, CME Group. And I think I went this on another video. So if you just go to CME Group or whatever, you see you visit often. All right, I just go to here and you go to products. I normally go to markets, and then what I do, I go to so NQ stuff like I just type in. Matter of fact, that's what I do. MNQ. That's what I type in, and hit return. Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. Let me let me go over this real quick. All right, here you go. All right, so we look at right here. You type in results. You go to results, the top one at the top. Again, you go to CME Group. All right, Google CME Group, and then you pick the first one. And if you look right here, CM MNQ4. All right, and if you go over here, just look at the settlement. You look at the specs, and the specs will tell you, $2 Nasdaq 100 index. That's the contract unit. All right, and then if you look right here, fluctuation, minimum fluctuation price, and it gives you all this stuff, all the detailed information on this. If you're not sure, all right, before you start trading something, you definitely should know what you're trading and how much is per contract, and it'll tell you how much is per tick. All right, each contract. All right. So if you do two contracts, that's double this. If you do five contracts, that's double this, and that means this moves. So if it's 10, that's $10. That's $10 per tick. All right. So again, let's go over this one more time. Go to Google. We go to CME. I'm sorry, CME Group. All right. I just go to products. It always comes up like that. But if you go to the one at the top and just type MNQ, since it's already searched, all right, top results right here. Pretty sure there's another easy way to get to it, but we'll go from there. And if you just look at specs, all right, this is the specs, all right. And if you look at the markets, they tell you all their featured products. But if you look right here, all these right here can be traded. All right, you just have to find the one that your broker potentially has and the one you actually want to trade. Everything from corn options, corn futures. It tells you that and you can also trade the currency pairs like Euro FX futures, gold. All right, this will tell you exactly what it is. All right, so if you go to the Euro FX futures, right? Let me see if it comes up. All right, go to specs. Come on. All right, euros contract size. All right, then you got your fluctuation price, the product code. This is your code right here, 6E EC. So 6E is what you look at. All right, so let's go down here. Let's go to futures. 6E. All right. Normally, you would want to trade the one that has the most volume. All right, so let's look at September. So if you see right here, you could trade this. All right, let me show you. Now, just so you can back test, right? Because this is let me do sessions. Let me go to London session. Let me put this one. See, this is London session, right? This is around 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, so look at this. Let's replay. All right. All right, boom. You put your, it keeps hitting the same price. All right, we're on the 5-minute time frame. All right, let's go up. Let's just do one contract right now. All right, you put your work in there. Let's just go 20 and 20 for right now. All right, let's just go for shits and giggles. All right, you buy. All right, this will tell you is your TP. So you can trade this if you have a smaller account. I wouldn't suggest nothing less if you go to Trade Event, Trade Station, whatever you go to. I wouldn't suggest less. Now, Nikita, who I trade, you want at least about 3 to 5K in there. If you can have about $1,000 in there, but you don't need to. But if you look right here, all right. Let me see why is this going up. All right. Boom. I don't know why. But y'all know this. All right. You can see right here, one contract on a 20 move, 20 move. All right. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Right? For you can have a $1,000 account to make this move, $2,000 account to make this move. All right. So here's what you don't want to do. All right. You don't want to go here doing all these big contracts. Right. And then, oh, let me do 5 contracts. All right. You can hit this P right here, right? It says 500 or 600. But if you look at it, it also goes the other way too. All right. So if you get the wrong move, that's if you only got $1,000 account, that's wipes out your account. Okay. So just be careful with that. But 16 is also a good if you want to continue to trade currency pairs. All right. All right. So let's go back to my move from earlier, the NOS. All right. Let me go back. If I got it on. All right. No. New York session. All right. All right, so let's get here. Let's move out of here. And let's get rid of some of this fandango. All right, let's go. All right, so the reason why I took this trade earlier, because what I did was, and let me just get rid of this. What I did was I went to the daily time frame. All right. As you can see, overall, since May, it's been on an uptrend, right? All right, but I'm not long-term trading it. I'm scalping it, so I don't care. All right, but at the end of the day, all right, you got to see. All right, if you can see, today's candle was right here. So I marked the highs and the low of this candle. Mark the highs and the low, right? Then I go to the 5-minute time frame, and I mark off this just for me. I mark off when the market opens, which is 8:30. All right, 8:30, right there. All right, and let me bring it up for you so you can see it a little better. All right, so let's get it open a little bit more so you can see. All right, so as you can see right now, the daily candle, by the time you get up in New York, the daily candle, you can see which way it's going. If that's bearish, I'm not going to go for, I'm going to wait for possibly a retracement or something like that. The candle's long and get back into a sell trade. I'm not going to go against the grain. If the whole candle is bearish, you already know which way it's trying to go. Okay. All right. So what we're doing is, and you can see this whole time since New York started, all right, it's been going bearish. So why would I try to go up and get these small moves and potentially, go the wrong way? All right. So look, this is what let's do this way. All right, so what I do is, like I said, on my strategy the whole time is to break the two for the sale is two candle highs. The 2 candle highs. Yeah, 2 candle lows. All right, 2 candle lows right here. All right. One of them. I can't remember what I say, but oh well. I'm finna show you. All right, so this is one. So that's 2 candle highs. I'm sorry. 2 candle highs, right? All right, then look at this. All right, 8:30 hits. Now this is mine right here. So let's go over this. First was over trend of trend for the is bearish. Daily candle is bearish. All right, that's number one. All right, number one, daily candle is bearish. All right, two for the strategy, 20 SMA. All right, break of SMA. All right, number three is what? All right, two candle highs or two candle lows. All right, two candle no, I'm saying two candle highs, so it's high. Two candle highs, two candle, and on the buy would be the lows. All right, two candle highs, broke 20 SMA, at the EMA, the SMA, completely. No wicks should be touching the candles. Completely. No wick. Hold on. Completely. No wicks, no candles, no nothing should be touching the 20 SMA. All right, let's get back to business. All right. All right, so from right here, what I did was, I try to just keep it simple, 50-50. All right, 500, 500. All right. So actually today it 300, 32. All right. So right here, you can see, and boom right here, and put the stop loss right here. All right. So the key, remember, the key let me write this in big bold letters. Oh, hold on. What's going on with this? What is going on? All right. Here we go. This is number 4. Key to success is risk management. Follow your strategy. Don't deviate. Follow your strategy. All right, looking at overall trend of the day is bearish. Daily candle is bearish. 20 SMA, break of SMA as 2 candle highs, which we have here. All right, broke the SMA completely. All right, key to success is risk management. Follow your strategy. Don't deviate. All right. Also, make sure you back test this. You don't believe me? I back test this a lot. If you don't believe the strategy, you don't believe me, it's okay. Just continue to make sure you back test and see, because when I see it, you might not be able to see it. All right, just like vice versa. All right, and then we go from here. So it made a little uptick, got me a little scared right here. I was like, oh man, but it came back down. Once I seen this, I was like, okay, we might be good to go. All right, then it kind of played around a little bit. If you see, it kind of played around. Where's my trend? Played around like right here. So you know what? Let me just do this price right here. I like to do this price. All right, where's my price tool? All right, don't tell me I didn't put my price tool up here. All right, where's my price tool? Give me my price tool. Price tool. Here you go. Price tool. All right, I like to put this right here. All right, so listen. If it breaks the 2205, I know we in the game. If it breaks the 2205, I know we in the game, coach. All right. All right. It's playing around 2205. Oh, boom. We broke. We good, coach. We more than likely we're probably going to go to TP right now. But what I do is once we broke that, I bring it up. I bring it a little closer. All right. I bring that because you know what? Now I'm not risking so much. Now I'm not risking that. I'm only risking $96 to make $994. Okay. All right. We go from there. All right. Boom. Look at that. So technically we made, like I said, we made about $984 on that trade. All right. And then now you out of the trade. All right. Now let's see where it go for the rest of the day. But it don't really matter where it went for the rest of the day. It went down some more. It doesn't really matter because you out of the trade. All right. This is a key tool. If you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. the price note. This helps me out a lot, right? This helps me out a lot. And then let me get rid of this gray screen so you can see better. All right, this helps me out a lot. This. So when I do these, right? All right, here's the pricing. All right. So this helps me know, hey, look, if it this, all right, not these wicks here, not the wicks. If it breaks, the body breaks, I know we're gonna go for a little bit more. All right, let me see if we could have got a little bit more right here. All right, if you look, now it's about, it gave us a good 30, 30 ticks. All right, yeah, we got about 30 ticks on that one. See, this move right here, it's been moving, look at that, moving down since the Asian session. All right, so we didn't want to play down too much down here. But if you look, all right, let me put these rules over here. Now let's look. Let's go back test a little bit. Price everything when it comes to trading. Price everything when it comes to trading. And let me say it again. Price is everything when it comes to trading. All right. So if you look right here on the 5-minute time frame and start just back testing it. All right, right here. Look at that. All right, boom. Went up, okay, went up still under the SMA. I'm gonna just put it right here. Boom. Now look at it. Came down a little bit. That London session. All right, went up, retraced. All right. Just wait a little bit. Boom. See, it kind of came back to price a little bit. Now look at that. Boom. All right, I got another one right here. And just continue going down. Even if it's consolidating, it's gonna stay between two prices. And then you don't take no trade, you don't play no games with that stuff. Okay. Look, it came down. Let me go to Isaiah. All right, came down again. Look at that. All right, this is my strategy right here. Boom. And I played around a little bit on this price. All right. Look, wait, boom, boom, came down. All right. And then from there, look, still bearish. Came down again. You got you about 30 pips. Now it's sideways. Now it's sideways. Look at that. Sideways. Now look, it's between these two prices. And see what I mean by between these two prices. What? This is what I mean. Let me see. Where's my? And let me make this bigger so you can see. So there's no confusion. All right. Consolidation. See that in between them two prices. All right. And give me this. Consolidation. All right. In between here. Pretty plain and simple. All right. Plain and simple. You can see right here, if it comes up, you see that right here. And then right there. Didn't break. You see consolidation. Don't take nothing. Breakout strong. Boom. Came up. Breakout strong. All right. Just go through your chart and see these things. All right. Look at that. Now, this was some news. That was on Friday, Wednesday of last week. I'm sorry. All right. Look at that. Broke out. This was some news. All right. So just be careful with that playing that news. Once that news breaks, and look at this. All right. That was on Thursday now. See how simple that is? Even on the 5-minute, it's even more, it's even better on the daily time frame. Okay. Price is king, man. Price is king. All right. You don't need all that. I got the indicator because that shows me a little confluence. All right. But these price tags on here, priceless, man. Priceless. These prices. All right. Look at that. Look at this. All right. You played around a little bit, the highs and the lows. And if you just go to your handy dandy tool to go to settings, you go to, I don't know if it's going to show me the news on this one. Probably, no, not on course. So I think it was some news here on July. And 1 second. It was some news right here. And it broke back down. Look, it broke back down. Let's see what session this is. This is New York session. Let me make it. All right. This session, 9 o'clock. Boom. 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 Look at that. Came back up. You got your broke down. All right. You broke up underneath. All right, once it breaks out, you can do a retest. Sometimes you might miss the move though. All right, look at that. Boom. And let's see. All right, another green candle. And look at that. 9 o'clock. Broke down again. All right. Broke down again. Look at that. And then this was pretty much the end of the day. So this is about 11 o'clock. So you don't want to trade this anyway. So that's up. So it still kind of went up, went down a little bit more. This is ugly stuff right here. By the time, if you miss these moves, you just need to get out the market. All right. And look at that. Consolidation. And then let's go consolidation on right here, the highest one. Coming to New York again. Look at this. Boom, price. What happened to price? Price again. All right. And then broke out. So this is around 935. All right. So if you missed the move, you could have got in right here on this retrace. And it broke out, got some more. All right. And then you could have actually, let's see what you could have got on this retest. All right. You could have got it right here. I know I would have got it in right here. And you would have, boom. Good to go, player. Good to go. All right. If you can see right here, past 8:30. So jump in right here. All right. And you got your 50 ticks. You out the market. You done today. So hopefully that helped you out with exactly how we do this right here. All right. And you look right here, let's see. And what is this, Friday? No, that's Monday. So and this right here is pretty big consolidation. Be careful with this right here. But let's just see. I didn't take it. I took trade on Nikia Nikia 225. So I didn't take this trade yesterday. All right, but if you look, let's see if we would have got it or snubbed us out. Okay, we would have got probably. If you wasn't looking at this, it would have shot back down on you if you didn't get in at the right spot. All right, just be careful with this because if you didn't get in at the right spot, it would have took you out and came back down. All right, but that was a nice move if you caught that move. But just be careful when the consolidation is this big. All right, 50 ticks. You want to see something more smoother like this when it comes to consolidation. Consolidation. You want something smooth, okay? All right. Other than that, let's move this out of the way. See a little consolidation right here. All right. You see how it broke out today and it's still breaking out. So it started breaking out in London session. All right. So other than that, write these down, screenshot, and go from there. Hopefully you understood what I was getting at. And let's go to let me see. This is the trade I'm looking for today for NZD Shuffle Forex. And then right here, you can see this was on the daily, I don't know what you call the time frame, not the daily. I'm tripping. All right, this is 8 hopefully. Okay, 8. So this week yesterday was a little choppy and ugly. All right, but if you look, let's do. Where is my why don't my handy dandy tool be up here? All right, if you look, this is when did the session start? Let's see, 1900. Let's see, come on. Give me 1900. All right, and then let's do it. Get the estimate stuff there. And then let's go for price. You can see it came back up, came back down. It was playing around a little bit. Yesterday, it's clear consolidation. All right. See how it played around between 41,520 and 41,345? And then you got that breakout right here. 1, 2, you got that breakout. And you go from, let me see, they should do 50 and 50. All right. And as you can see, continue down. All right, this was pretty smooth yesterday. You don't really have no retracements. This just was kind of smoothly going down. But if you got one right here, all right, you got one, I would say right here. And then you got one right here. and it continues to kind of go down, around up here. And now you're done at 40.95. So we started off the day at 41.585 and down to 40.95. So we're good to go on that. All right. So that was yesterday on the key. Be careful with that. If you don't have this, not be careful with them. This is how you can do price. You just have to be patient, man. It's gonna give you a reason. You have to be patient. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Other than that, I hope you guys understood how I made the $100 in 45 minutes right here. All with just price. Just price. Just pay attention to price. Yeah, and I know I don't really care what people say. You know, that's hindsight. But that's what I do. I just mark it up, and then I look at the momentum for the day, which way it's going. If it's selling, or if it's under my estimate, it's continue to trend down. That's what I look at. Go from there. All right. So from right here, look right here. All right, this is right here. And if you look, is this Asian session? No, that's, let me see. Where's my session? All right. Let's make this green. Ooh. All right. If you look right here, this went down. It started right here. So these are my ranges. So we got to be careful today about the ranges, about the direction. It might not move anywhere today since it's is it Wednesday? Might not move too far today. I might consolidate, things of that nature since it's Wednesday. Or I don't know. It just might not move because it just may move right today. So just got to be careful into the market today. Other than that, you guys have a great trader week. Be safe and remember to use risk management.